Maker here today. I'm not going to be giving away this, but as you guys see, it's from Boomco. This is my new fast shot. I'm not doing a giveaway. So this is very cool. Got it. Wait, upload the trigger. Look at you. And there's your name. It has safety lock. It also has shield. It's kind of hard to read. Just the shield. Wait a second. So that's all for it, guys. That's all I have for today's videos. So I'm very sorry. I'm not going to be expected. I got 30 subscribers. So you guys probably will hate it, but I increased to 35. Sorry. Please don't answer. Because oh man, what did I do? What the hell? So 35 subscribers. Hope you don't mind. So all of you guys don't mind. Please don't answer. I want to give, most of you want to have the crossbow. So 35 subscribers, I will be announcing the winner. I am very sorry. I hope I get 35. If I not get 35 subscribers this week, I will cancel. I will close the giveaway. That's all for it, guys. Goodbye.